Nathan! Seesaw. Up and down. Seesaw. Up and down. Want some more? Oops, you want to go down there? Nathan swimming by himself. Swing, swing, swing. Nathan! Teacher April! Swing, swing, swing. Does Nathan want to go up the slide by himself? Careful! Step! Step! Careful! Very good.
Anong pwede mo? Bahira lalo. Ay anak, pwede mo hiritan eh.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No, kaya niya yan, kaya niya yan. It's okay, it's okay. Kailangan matuto siya tumayo mag-isa.
Ate, ay nangaligtahan mo, pag-uwi na lang natin. Bagyan mo na lang ang papel sa kabol. Bago ka na naman? Kung pinili pala ni nanay ng nanay. Hindi niya na eh, may mag-uwi ka na. Bahay talaga yun.
Ano yan eh? Ano yan? Sa lawahan? Sa
pagkilang. Nagbilang yung nagbilang na batayan eh. Kaya ganyan. Papatay pa. Kasi alam mo be, kasi gusto mo pa mo. Kaya lang, hindi ko nga tumagpili ko. Gusto ko. Ay, nangyayari ko ba? Gaganda na ako na.
Good job! Good job, dear Nathan! Morning! Morning, baby! Kaya
Kaya
na
niya
yan!
yan. Kaya niyan. See? Very good. Ang panaywan. Ang up.
Good job!
Where's the more?
Good
job!
Oops, careful!
Happy siya. Big.
Good job! Who's that? Teacher Death. Very good. How about this one? Who's this? Teacher PJ. Very good. Teacher Minette.